Welcome to the most shocking beauty secret you've never heard of. Animal bones transformed into the cream on your vanity. Stay with me to see this incredible transformation process.
What if I told you that the secret to glowing, youthful skin might be hiding in animal bones? Bones that would otherwise end up in landfills. Welcome inside one of the world's most surprising factories, where waste transforms into luxury. Every year, slaughterhouses generate millions of tons of bone waste, but here, nothing goes to waste. These bones, rich in natural collagen, become the foundation for premium cosmetic creams used by millions worldwide. And today, you're getting an exclusive look at the entire journey. We'll follow these discarded bones from the moment they arrive at the factory gates through intense cleaning, specialized extraction processes, all the way to the final product sitting on beauty counters across the globe. You'll see massive industrial equipment breaking down tough bone structures, laboratories testing purity, and automated lines blending collagen peptides into silky smooth creams that hydrate and rejuvenate skin. But here's what most people don't realize. This isn't just recycling, it's upcycling at its finest, turning what was once considered waste into high-value beauty ingredients that actually work. Collagen from bones has been scientifically proven to improve skin elasticity and moisture retention when properly processed. Before we dive deeper into the actual machinery and chemistry making this possible, I need you to do two quick things. Smash that like button if you're fascinated by unexpected beauty innovations, and drop a comment below telling me, would you use cream made from recycled bones? Your answer might surprise you, and I read every single comment. Stick with me, because in the next 90 seconds, you'll witness the exact moment raw bone transforms into pure, skin-loving collagen. Don't click away. This gets even more incredible. Now let's zoom into the heart of this transformation, the extraction
Throughput
chamber.
looks good. Adjusting
After
rails for the next
rigorous
batch.
sterilization, bones enter
Queuing steady
massive
now, no
industrial
jams.
crushers that break them into small fragments, dramatically increasing surface area for efficient collagen release. Next comes the critical step, hydrolysis. Bones are submerged in temperature-controlled tanks where a precise combination of mild acids and specialized enzymes gently breaks down the tough bone matrix. This isn't harsh chemical destruction. It's a carefully calibrated process that preserves collagen's beneficial amino acid chains while separating them from minerals and impurities. After 12 to 24 hours, the liquid is filtered multiple times through micron-level membranes, removing every trace of bone particles. What remains is a golden-hued hydrolyzed collagen solution, pure, odorless, and ready for cosmetic formulation. In the blending room, this collagen concentrate meets other premium ingredients: hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, vitamin E for antioxidant protection, and plant-based emollients for that luxurious texture you love. Automated mixers spin at exact RPMs to create a perfectly homogeneous cream, no clumps, no separation. Quality control is non-negotiable. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing, pH balance checks, microbial screening, and stability trials under different temperatures. Only when it passes all 27 checkpoints does it move to filling lines, where sterile machines dispense precise amounts into jars at 200 units per minute. This entire journey, from discarded bone to shelf-ready cream, takes just 72 hours. And the result? A sustainable beauty product that delivers real anti-aging benefits while giving agricultural waste a valuable second life. Pretty remarkable, isn't it?
Temperature holding at 62, vacuum stable. Adjusting concentration now. Set to 25.5%. Monitoring.
So there you have it, the complete transformation of what was once waste into a skincare hero sitting on your vanity. This factory proves that sustainability and luxury aren't opposites, they're partners in the future of beauty. Think about this. Every jar of cream produced here diverts nearly 2 pounds of bone waste from landfills while delivering proven skin benefits. That's circular economy in action, and it's happening right now in factories worldwide. Before you go, I need your help to spread awareness about innovative sustainability like this. 3 quick actions. First, hit like if this video changed how you see waste and beauty ingredients. Second, comment "bone to beauty" below. I'll personally reply to as many as I can. And third, subscribe and tap the bell, because next week we're touring a factory that turns ocean plastic into premium perfume bottles. You won't want to miss that. This is more than just a factory tour. It's proof that human ingenuity can find value in unexpected places. And honestly, the beauty industry needs more transparency like this, more honesty about where ingredients really come from and how science transforms them responsibly. If you learned something new today, share this video with one friend who loves skincare or sustainability. Let's normalize conversations about real ingredient sourcing, not just marketing buzzwords. Thanks for watching until the end. You're part of a community that values truth over trends. Until next time, stay curious, stay conscious, and remember, beauty isn't just skin deep. Sometimes it starts with bones.